If you've ever wondered why Toyota has a reputation that borders on mythical when it comes to reliability, the answer isn't marketing, it isn't luck, and it isn't some secret Japanese engineering sorcery that nobody else can replicate. The answer is a lot simpler than that. Toyota builds engines that are deliberately over-engineered, under-stressed, and designed with such conservative tolerances that they often outlive the cars they're bolted into, the mechanics who service them, and in some cases the dealerships that originally sold them. Walk into any trucking yard, any taxi fleet, any rural farm, or any war zone across the globe, and you will find Toyota engines still running well past the point where any other manufacturer's power plant would have thrown in the towel. We're talking about engines with 500,000, 600,000, even 1,000,000 miles on the clock, still starting on the first crank, still holding compression, still doing the job they were built to do decades ago. This isn't cherry-picked anecdote either. It's a pattern so consistent that entire subcultures of gearheads, overlanders, and fleet managers have built their businesses around the assumption that if you put a Toyota engine in it, it simply will not quit on you. In this video, we're counting down 7 of the most legendary Toyota engines ever produced, the ones that have earned near mythical status among mechanics and owners alike for their ability to shrug off neglect, abuse, extreme climates, and hundreds of thousands of miles of hard use without so much as a whimper. Number 7. The Toyota 22R/22RE, the truck engine that refuses to die. There may be no engine in Toyota's history more synonymous with bulletproof reliability than the 22R and its fuel-injected sibling, the 22RE. This 2.4-liter inline-4 powered Toyota pickups and forerunners from the early 1980s through the mid-1990s, and it did so with a level of mechanical simplicity that modern engineers can only look back on with a mixture of nostalgia and envy. There's no turbocharger to fail, no complex variable valve timing system to wear out, and no delicate plastic components baking under hood heat waiting to crack. What you get instead is a cast iron block mated to an iron head in some versions, forged internals, and a design philosophy that prioritized durability over outright performance every single time a compromise had to be made. Owners regularly report these engines crossing the 300,000 and 400,000 mile marks with nothing more than routine oil changes, timing chain replacements, and basic maintenance. And plenty have pushed well past 500,000 miles while still running strong enough to tow, off-road, and commute daily. Part of what makes the 22R/22RE family so special is how forgiving it is of neglect. These trucks were bought by contractors, ranchers, and off-roaders who didn't baby their vehicles, who missed oil changes, who ran them hard in the desert heat or froze them in sub-zero winters. And the engine simply kept going regardless. The timing chain, unlike a rubber timing belt found in many competing engines of the era, doesn't carry the same catastrophic failure risk if maintenance is delayed, which alone has saved countless owners from an expensive engine rebuild. Parts availability is another massive point in its favor even decades later, since Toyota produced these trucks in huge numbers and enthusiast communities have kept the aftermarket alive with everything from head gaskets to full rebuild kits. If you find a 22R or 22RE powered Toyota pickup or forerunner today, even one with high mileage already on the odometer, you're likely looking at an engine with plenty of life left in it, provided the rest of the truck hasn't rusted away around it. This is the engine that built Toyota's reputation in North America, the one overlanders still seek out specifically because they know it will start every single morning no matter what they threw at it the day before. Number 6. The Toyota 2JZ, the understated 6-cylinder legend. Most people know the 2JZ from its turbocharged GTE variant that powered the Supra into tuner legend status, but the naturally aspirated 2JZ deserves just as much respect, arguably more, when the conversation shifts specifically to longevity rather than horsepower potential. Found in the Toyota Supra, Aristo, Cressida adjacent Lexus models, and various other Japanese market vehicles through the 1990s and early 2000s, this 3.0-liter inline-6 was built on a rock-solid cast iron block with a strength margin so generous that tuners have pushed the turbocharged version to over 1,000 horsepower on the stock bottom end alone, which tells you everything you need to know about how much reserve capacity Toyota built into this design from the factory. In its naturally aspirated GE form, without any of the added stress of forced induction, the 2JZ is essentially engineering overkill for a passenger car engine, and that overkill translates directly into an engine that shrugs off high mileage the way most engines shrug off a routine oil change. Owners of Lexus GS 300 and IS 300 models, which shared this engine platform, routinely report crossing 300,000 miles with nothing more than standard maintenance. And plenty of well-documented examples have pushed past the 500,000-mile mark while still returning strong compression numbers across all 6 cylinders. The inline-6 configuration itself contributes to this longevity story, since 6-cylinder engines are inherently smoother, and place less rotational stress on internal components compared to a 4-cylinder producing similar output, meaning less wear accumulates over the same number of miles driven. Toyota's engineers also equipped this engine with a robust cooling system and conservative factory tuning that kept operating temperatures and internal stresses well within safe margins for the metallurgy of the era, rather than chasing every last horsepower at the expense of durability. Timing belt maintenance remains the one real service item owners need to stay on top of, since neglecting that interval can lead to serious problems. But for anyone who keeps up with that single maintenance point, the 2JZGE will reward them with an engine that outlasts nearly everything else in the car around it. This is why you'll still find these motors being swapped into other chassis today, not just for their tuning potential, but because mechanics genuinely trust them to run essentially forever. Number 5. The Toyota 1UZ FE. Lexus refinement meets Toyota toughness. When Toyota decided to launch Lexus and take on Mercedes-Benz and BMW head-on in the luxury market, they knew the engine powering their flagship LS 400 needed to be flawless, and the result was the 1UZ FE, a 4.0-liter V8 that remains one of the most quietly impressive engines Toyota has ever produced. This wasn't a truck engine adapted for luxury duty. It was purpose-built from the ground up with an aluminum block and heads for camshafts and tolerances so tight that Toyota engineers reportedly hand-selected components during the assembly process to achieve a level of smoothness and refinement that rivaled hand-built European engines costing far more to produce. What makes the 1UZ FE relevant to this list, though, isn't just its refinement. It's that Toyota somehow managed to build all of that precision and luxury without sacrificing an ounce of the durability the brand was already known for. These engines routinely crossed 300,000 and 400,000 miles in the original Lexus LS 400 with nothing more than fluid changes and basic maintenance. And there are well-documented cases of 1UZ FE engines exceeding 500,000 miles while still running with the same glass-smooth idle they had when new. Part of the secret lies in how conservatively Toyota tuned this engine relative to its actual capability. The factory power output was deliberately restrained compared to what the engine's internals could handle, which is exactly why this motor became a favorite swap candidate for drift builds and hot rods, where enthusiasts routinely add forced induction and double the factory horsepower while the bottom end shrugs it off without complaint. That kind of reserve strength in a factory luxury sedan engine is almost unheard of. The 1UZ FE also benefited from Toyota's meticulous attention to lubrication and cooling system design, ensuring that even under the sustained highway speeds and long-distance cruising these LS 400 sedans were built for, internal temperatures and wear rates stayed remarkably low over time. Owners of high-mileage LS 400s often describe the experience of driving a car with 300,000 or 400,000 miles on the odometer and having it feel, mechanically, almost identical to a car with a tenth of that mileage. That is the legacy of the 1UZ FE. Proof that Toyota could build something genuinely luxurious without ever compromising on the bulletproof durability the brand had already built its name on. Number 4. The Toyota 5VZ FE, the V6 workhorse of the Tacoma and 4Runner era. Throughout the late 1990s and into the mid-2000s, the 3.4-liter 5VZ FE V6 became the beating heart of the Toyota Tacoma and 4Runner, and it quickly earned a reputation among off-roaders, overlanders, and daily commuters alike as one of the most dependable V6 engines ever mass-produced. Unlike some of the more exotic engines on this list, the 5VZ FE was a working-class hero, a motor found in trucks that got driven down logging roads, loaded up with camping gear for cross-country trips, used to tow trailers, and generally worked hard by owners who needed a vehicle they could count on rather than baby in a garage. And that's exactly the environment in which this engine proved itself over and over again. Cast from durable materials with a design that prioritized simplicity and serviceability, the 5VZ FE was engineered to be easy to maintain and forgiving of the kind of missed service intervals that inevitably happen with a vehicle used for real work rather than showroom duty. It's extremely common to find Tacomas and 4Runners from this era with 300,000 to 400,000 miles still running on their original engine, and a significant number of dedicated overlanding and off-road communities have documented examples pushing past the 500,000-mile mark, often on vehicles that have also survived years of rock crawling, desert running, and mud. One of the reasons the 5VZ FE earned such trust among the overlanding crowd specifically is its relative mechanical simplicity compared to engines from that era and other brands. There's no complicated turbo system to maintain in the desert heat, no overly sensitive electronics prone to failure far from a service center, just a straightforward, well-built V6 that starts every time and keeps running. Timing belt service remains the critical maintenance item for owners to stay on top of, as is true for many engines of this generation. But beyond that, the 5VZFE asks very little of its owners in exchange for the tremendous reliability it delivers. This is the engine you'll find under the hood of the truck that's been through 3 owners, towed a boat every summer for 15 years, and still starts on the first turn of the key every single morning. Which is exactly the kind of real-world proof that matters most when you're evaluating true long-term durability rather than a manufacturer's marketing claims. Number 3. The Toyota 1HZ, the diesel icon that circles the globe. If you travel outside North America, particularly through Africa, the Middle East, Australia, or remote parts of South America, you will encounter the Toyota Land Cruiser powered by the 1HZ diesel engine constantly. And there's a very good reason aid organizations, militaries, and safari operators around the world have relied on this specific engine for decades. It simply does not break. This 4.2-liter inline-6 diesel, naturally aspirated and mechanically injected in most of its production life, represents one of the purest expressions of Toyota's engineering philosophy: extreme simplicity in service of extreme reliability. There's no complex electronic fuel injection system to fail in a sandstorm, no sensitive computer module that can't handle extreme heat or cold, just a mechanically injected diesel engine that will run on fuel quality that would destroy most modern engines within weeks. This is precisely why organizations like the United Nations and countless NGOs have standardized on Land Cruisers equipped with the 1HZ for decades of operation in the most punishing environments on Earth, from Saharan heat to Siberian cold, often in locations where a broken-down vehicle isn't just an inconvenience, but a genuine safety risk. Owners and fleet operators routinely report these engines running past 500,000 miles, and it's not remotely unusual to hear about 1HZ-powered Land Cruisers crossing the million-kilometer mark, which translates to well over 600,000 miles, all while still being used for genuine, demanding work rather than sitting in a collector's garage. The engine's low compression ratio relative to more modern diesels, combined with its low revving nature and robust cast iron construction, means internal wear accumulates at a remarkably slow rate compared to virtually anything else on the market. It's not a fast engine by any measure, and it was never designed to be, but speed was never the point. The point was building something that a rural doctor, a remote farmer, or a UN convoy driver could depend on absolutely, in a place where the nearest qualified mechanic might be hundreds of miles away and any breakdown could have serious consequences. That reputation for near indestructibility is exactly why the 1HZ remains one of the most respected diesel engines in the world among people who genuinely need their vehicle to never let them down, no matter where in the world they are or how brutal the conditions become. Number 2. The Toyota 1FZFE, Land Cruiser muscle-built to outlast everything. Sitting alongside the diesel-powered Land Cruisers in markets around the world was the gasoline-powered 1FZFE, a 4.5-liter inline-6 that powered the Land Cruiser 80 series and 100 series through much of the 1990s and into the early 2000s. And this engine has earned its own devoted following among Land Cruiser enthusiasts specifically because of how effortlessly it handles extreme mileage and abuse. Toyota built the Land Cruiser as its flagship expedition and off-road vehicle, sold to customers who genuinely intended to drive it across deserts, through mountain passes, and into locations where towing services simply don't exist. And the 1FZFE was engineered with that exact use case in mind from day one. The inline-6 configuration, much like the 2JZ discussed earlier, inherently produces less internal stress and smoother operation than a comparable V8 or 4-cylinder working to produce similar output, and Toyota paired that inherent advantage with generously sized internal components, a forged crankshaft in later variants, and cooling and lubrication systems designed for sustained high-load operation rather than short commuter bursts. The result is an engine that Land Cruiser owners across the globe report running past 400,000 and 500,000 miles with total confidence, often while still being used for the exact kind of demanding overland travel, towing, and off-road work the vehicle was designed for from the start. What separates the 1FZFE from many gasoline engines of its era is how well it tolerates sustained high RPM operation and heavy loads without accelerated wear, a critical trait for a vehicle that might spend hours climbing steep mountain grades in low range or cruising at highway speed fully loaded with camping gear and passengers for a family expedition. Land Cruiser enthusiast forums are filled with owners proudly documenting their odometers crossing the 500,000-mile threshold, often accompanied by stories of the truck having crossed multiple continents or survived years of genuinely hard use in remote locations. Maintenance requirements remain relatively modest for an engine of this size and output, mostly consisting of regular oil changes, cooling system upkeep, and timing belt service at the appropriate intervals, none of which represents anything close to the cost or complexity of maintaining a European luxury SUV of the same era. For anyone chasing genuine long-term durability in a full-size, capable SUV, the 1FZ-FE remains one of the strongest arguments Toyota has ever built. Number 1. The Toyota 2AR-FE, proof that modern Toyota reliability is still real. Rounding out this list is a more modern engine that proves Toyota hasn't lost its touch for building engines that go the distance, even in an era of tightening emissions regulations and increasing engine complexity. The 2.5-liter 2AR-FE, found in the Toyota Camry, RAV4, and several other models from roughly 2009 through the mid-2010s. Unlike the older, simpler engines on this list, the 2AR-FE had to incorporate variable valve timing, more sophisticated fuel injection, and tighter emissions controls, all factors that traditionally introduce additional failure points and reduce long-term reliability compared to the mechanically simpler engines of decades past. And yet, remarkably, the 2AR-FE has managed to earn a reputation nearly as strong as its predecessors for crossing enormous mileage totals without major issues. Camry owners in particular have become almost famous within automotive circles for posting odometer photos showing 300,000, 400,000, and even 500,000 miles on engines that have received nothing more than oil changes, coolant flushes, and basic scheduled maintenance throughout their entire service life. Part of this continued durability comes down to Toyota's manufacturing quality control, which remained exceptionally tight even as the engineering itself grew more complex, ensuring that tolerances stayed consistent and internal components were built from materials capable of handling hundreds of thousands of miles of daily driving. The 2AR-FE also benefits from being used primarily in the Camry, a car overwhelmingly bought by owners who use it for exactly the kind of consistent, moderate-load daily driving and highway commuting that minimizes engine wear over time, unlike engines subjected to constant towing or off-road abuse. That said, this engine has also proven itself in the more demanding RAV4 application, hauling families and cargo while still delivering the same reputation for effortless high mileage. It's a genuinely important entry on this list because it demonstrates that Toyota's commitment to building engines that last isn't just a nostalgic relic of the 1980s and 1990s. It's a living, current-day engineering philosophy that continues into engines you can still buy used today at very reasonable prices, with enormous remaining lifespan ahead of them. If you're shopping for a used Camry or RAV4 from this generation, the 2AR-FE is exactly the kind of engine that makes that purchase decision an easy one, proof positive that the Toyota reliability legend is very much alive and well in the modern era.